Today in the Ibs kitchen we have some crispy smoked chicken wings, and guess what, this is a 20-minute recipe. I will be using the Ninja wood fire grill for this recipe. It's going to be amazing, so let's go right into it. First, we are going to have our clean and dried chicken wings. Yes folks, we clean out chicken over here. Now folks, before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes from Ibs. All of the ingredients will be in the description box for you to follow. To start off seasoning my whole chicken wings, I'm using some ground black pepper, just like that. I'm going to add some onion powder to that. I'm going to make sure I'm generous with the seasoning so everything coats evenly. Then I'm going to add some garlic powder. Yes, we need our black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Okay, follow me. Now, smoked paprika is going to add an amazing color to the whole chicken wings. Also, is going to add some flavor to those wings as well. Not much flavor, but just enough, okay? Now, I'm going to add some ground mustard. Ground mustard is a key to this. It's going to be amazing. Then some Cajun seasoning. It has our sodium, so we don't need no extra salt. Then finally, some cayenne pepper. This is going to give the whole chicken wing a nice bite and some heat, okay? Now, to bind all of those amazing seasonings, I'm going to use avocado oil along with the best tool in the kitchen, my hands. I'm going to rub the seasoning all over those chicken wings just like that, so that way everything is nice and evenly coated and the wings should look just like that. Now let's set that aside and go and get the grill together. Now, to make these wings within 20 minutes, I'm using a Ninja wood fire grill. The wood fire grill comes with these wood fire pellets that gives it a nice, robust, smoky, rich flavor. So I'm gonna load up these pellets and I'm gonna add it to the wood fire grill. I'm gonna get this thing started and we're gonna get to grilling. I'm setting the cooking function to air crisp. I'm hitting the smoke button and I'm setting the temperature to 390. But before we preheat, I want to show you the basket that we will cook the chicken wings in. Now this basket is quite large, so it will fit all of our chicken wings in all at once. So we're going to close that lid and allow it to preheat, alright? Now, once it's time to add the food, open that bad boy up and look, woo, we got that smoky flavor. It smells amazing. Now, this is when you add the chicken wings. This is like an air fryer, a grill, and a smoker all in one. Now, I told you the basket was quite big. I was able to fit all of my chicken wings right into this basket, just like that. You're only going to need about 20 minutes or so to cook these chicken wings, but halfway through you will need to flip the whole chicken wings. But look at this. The chicken wings already have an amazing color. We only got about 10 minutes left, so go ahead and flip it over so that way we can finish cooking. Now listen, when they are done, look how these wings turn out. Woo, those things look so amazing. It has a nice color to it. The wings look juicy, they look crispy, they look smoky, just all of the above. I'm just ready to dig in. Now these chicken wings is a part of my summer cookout video. I'll have the link on the screen for you to check that video out. But in the meantime, I'm going to take one of these crispy, juicy wings and I'm going to go ahead and enjoy. Let me know in the comments what you think of this recipe, and guess what? I'll see y'all in the next recipe video.